Okay, hello everyone. So another second half 2025 SuccessFactors release video, and this time I want to show how payroll information has been updated in the SuccessFactors people profile. So I have a past video kind of showcasing this new functionality, which makes it easy to navigate and see information. So for payroll here, I'm looking at this from the view of an admin. Keep in mind an employee would look differently. But what this new view allows us to do is actually see all of the information centrally on one page, but it has a couple of enhancements. So pay statements, I'm able to navigate directly to a single payment and it shows the most recent four. Or if I want to view all of them, I still have the option to go to pay history. Another touch for the admins, which I like, is the integration. So payroll replication details. This was previously shown in a very small way, but now not only does it show you, but it allows you to go to the Data Replication Monitor, which is a nice touch, I think. And then if you see it, I think it just looks a lot cleaner in terms of the information for tax data or other payroll specific information that you have. So this is the same stuff that you have configured in the payroll unified configuration, and you can kind of see what this looks like. So yeah, if I want to navigate, let me just click this and I'll show you at least the payroll history and how this will take you directly to what you might be used to seeing here. So thank you.